welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have for you another haul, and this time the haul it is from BEAUTYBAY. As a disclaimer, I want to say that not all the products that I'm going to show you today are bought within the last order, of course. This is a more cumulative haul, so the products that I'm going to show you today have been purchased during the last 2, 3, 4 months. But I thought it would be fun to share with you what I bought from BEAUTYBAY, because I never show you a real haul from this website. I think all of you know or heard about BEAUTYBAY. This is a online store and is carrying on a lot of high-end brands, but not only high-end brands. They also have Milani, Wet n Wild, Beach Cosmetics. What is really great about this website is that they are shipping internationally, and you get free shipping if you purchase a certain amount. For example, in Europe, the free shipping is over £25, which is really a good deal, because I think I never placed a order less than at least 30 pounds. Also, BEAUTYBAY is the website. BEAUTYBAY is the website where I've placed my first beauty order, even though at the time I wasn't so much into the beauty, but there I firstly bought my Sesh Vid from Sesh. I remember at the time, I think it was in 2013, there was no place where I could find certain products that are really talked about and hype in US. So the BEAUTYBAY was a really great opportunity for me to try a lot of good and wonderful brands. Of course, the accessibility now it's more higher for me as a consumer in Central Europe, but 6 years ago it wasn't. Let's say I'm pleased with BEAUTYBAY. Even in past months, their service, their shipping, it was a bit questionable, let's say. For example, the last order I placed in 20th of December and I just got it in 15th of January, so almost 1 month since it was shipped. But I don't think so it was their fault. Now I can blame my local post service. Without much rambling, I will start to show you what I bought in my recent orders, and then I will show you also the products that I've bought in the past. The order that I got yesterday, I purchased this Milani blusher. It is in the shade Romantic Rose, and it's this really rose shape. Everybody was talking about this blush at some point. It's a matte, really nude, rosy nude shade, really pretty, and I think it's suitable for all skin types, so I'm really excited to have this one in my collection now. I also bought this eyeshadow from Wet n Wild called Brulee, and this is basically your skin tone color if you are fair. So bear with me while I'm trying to open it. So I will swatch it. I bought this to have it for my brow bone or for setting my upper lid, but I think it's also good for setting your concealer if your skin tone is around this shade. I think it's good as a setting powder. Many of YouTubers were raving about this product, and I think I bought it like half price. It's really cheap, and I bought it in sales. I've also bought a couple of makeup brushes. First I have this brush from Blank Canvas Cosmetics. It's their F58 brush. To be honest, when I saw it online, I thought it's a bit more bigger, because I wanted to have it for my foundation, and I was a bit underwhelmed when I saw the actual size, because if I want to do my foundation with this brush, I think I will need maybe half a day to be able to cover my face. And also for concealer, I think it's a bit too big to go in your eye socket. So probably I will use it for blend my cream contour or cream blusher. And as a comparison, I have this brush from BH Cosmetics, which I use for applying my foundation. So this is really good and it's shaped properly. So I thought it will be similar, but as you can see, it's a bit smaller. So I didn't try it, but I think it's a bit time consuming if I want to do all your face foundation with this brush. I will definitely try it and let you know how it works. 3 Sigma brushes. First, it is the Sigma E35. Is their tapered blending brush. I want to have more Sigma brushes because for my eyes, the majority of my brushes are from Zoeva, so I thought now I want to have more Sigma to have some comparison. So this is my E35 Sigma brush, and I also bought a backup for Sigma E25 brush. So now I have 2 of them, because after my last tutorial, I definitely can tell you that I'm into Sigma E25 brush, and I wanted to have 2. So during my vacation, I will reduce the number of brushes that I'm packing with me. E35, it's more fluffy and longer as the E25. And the last brush that I bought, it is the Sigma 3 HD Precision brush, and for this I'm really excited. I was planning to buy this brush from a long time. If you can see, it's cut, so you can blend your concealer on this area. I have very small space here, so sometimes I find that even my micro beauty blender doesn't do a proper job. So I hope this brush, I didn't try it yet, but I hope this brush will help me to blend my concealer. So I'm really excited to have this brush in my collection. I think they also have a foundation brush similar with this one. However, I think that brush wasn't discounted and it's really pricey. It's over 25 euros. Maybe in one of my next orders I'll buy it, but for the moment I have enough foundation brushes and I didn't feel the need that I need to add another one to my collection. This was all for the order that I received yesterday. Now on my previous orders I bought the Blank Canvas Cosmetics brush F37. So this is a blush brush and it's really soft. I used it already a couple of times. It washes really good and it keeps the shape. It's really soft, guys. I'm really happy for this, and also I want to try more Blank Canvas Cosmetics brushes. I bought this BH Cosmetics V5 brush, which is also a crease blending brush, and if I compare it now with Sigma E35 brush, I can say they are almost identical. Just I can tell that the BH one, it's a bit more softer. And the last brush I bought from Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and is their E08 Smudge brush. And this is also really soft, and of course I use it to blend the eyeshadow on my lower line area. I also bought this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in shade Light Ivory. It's a bit peachy and a bit thick as a consistency, comparing with my favorite Catrice one, and I've noticed that it's creasing on me if I'm not setting immediately. And also during the day I found this doesn't have the long staying power like it has my beloved Catrice one. But anyway, I can complain for the price. I think I pay like €2 for it, so for the price it's really good concealer. And if I want to color correct my dark spots under the eyes, this is perfect because as I told you, it has a bit of a peachy undertone. And I also bought this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in shade Venice, and this is your blue red lipstick. Really pretty shade. I find I don't have any liquid lipstick in this shade, so I wanted to have one, and I'm really satisfied with the Ofra liquid lipstick. I have another one in more nude shade. It's not the type that is drying, is setting on your lips, and it's lasting up to 8-10 hours on your lips, and this is really good considering the type of the shade that I have, because this is really red, so you can see whenever the shade is fading you can have some bold patches, but this is not the case with this lipstick. I highly recommend Ofra liquid lipsticks in general. So yeah, I'm really happy for this shade, and I can wait to wear it more often during this spring and summer, of course. Also from Beauty Bay I bought this Milani matte lipstick in shade Darling. So it's the shade 74, and it's really good match with their blush, with their romantic rose blush. I'm wearing this lipstick on my lips today, and it's really pretty rosy nude shade. It's matte and it's comfortable, it doesn't dry your lips, so really good. I've bought one palette that I haven't talked on my channel before. It is the Pure My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. This looks like this. To be honest, I kind of forget about this. I was excited when I purchased it. I think it was 50% discounted. I bought it in the second part of 2018. But I don't know why I didn't use it so much, either on my channel or in my real life. And it has quite nice of shades. I think I maybe have done 1 or 2 looks or this looks with this, but I mostly use those shades, more neutral part of the shades, and I didn't use this purple pink or the white or yellow or shimmery golden shade. And also I think I've used this green, but I'm planning to use it more and even to do a eyeshadow look for my channel. I will also add a swatch of this palette. Makeup Geek eyeshadow singles. This I also bought together with this on the same order with this eyeshadow palette. However, I think I took them out from their package. I swatched them and I put them back. I was planning to depot them in this Travel Vault palette that I also have from Beauty Bay, but I think I got on vacation or something happened and I forgot about them. And I was checking now my previous orders on Beauty Bay, and then I found that I have some eyeshadow that I didn't used. So I have the Hopscotch, is matte lilac shade. So it's this one. Sea Mist, and this is a green satin shade. Really pretty color. So it's this one. Not so intense, but it's really pretty color. I have the Ice Queen. This is a white shimmery shade. I want to have some shade to put on my inner corner. However, it turns to be really white shade, so I don't think so that it's working. So it's this one. And the last one is a duochrome. Oh no, it's a foiled shadow, and it's called Flame Thrower. Oh no, I dropped it. Look at this color, guys. This is really pretty. It is a copper, rosy copper shade. This is really pretty. Oh, I'm happy that it didn't break, but I see some, how to say, I see that it's a bit moved, so I hope it will not come out from the pan at some certain point. Also from BEAUTYBAY I bought this Makeup Geek lipstick in shade Proper, which is quite similar with the one from Milani. So this is the Makeup Geek one. And I really love the packaging. Makeup Geek is killing with their packaging. It's one of my favorite brands packaging wise. From BEAUTYBAY I have those Travel Vault palettes. They are not empty. I already filled them up. So I have here some random shadows. This is a Makeup Geek contour and blush. This is Makeup Geek shadow, and those are some shadows that I got in my Look Fantastic beauty box. And this is a Makeup Forever shadow. And here I have some space for upcoming eyeshadows, so I will add now the shadows that I have. So I think 4 more shades and this it will be full, because you have place for either 9 eyeshadow pens or for 4 contour shades. I really love this, and they are really good for travel. Have a nice mirror, and they are really sturdy. And the price is really good. I think it's up to 15 American dollars. And sometimes they are in sale, so when I will find some good sale, good deal on sale, I will buy like 2 more of these. Also bought from BEAUTYBAY my Sigma F80 Kabuki brush, which is good for foundation. I really love this brush. However, I didn't use it so much during the past couple of months. And of course also from BEAUTYBAY I bought my beloved Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and my Violet Voss hashtag eyeshadow palette, which I used today to do this look that I'm wearing. So I have one eyeshadow tutorial which I did on my channel. However, it's quite old. I think I have finished everything. Thank you really much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you will subscribe before you leave, and I will see you really soon. Bye bye!